What's good everyone, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a video covering ICT's Judas Swing and price action, and we're going to go over a model that you can use for either London or New York session. I got a lot of great feedback on the Nasdaq model that I did show to you guys in my previous video. I've seen a lot of traders getting funded and making money with it, so I will be posting a Forex model in the coming weeks. If you're looking for a trading prop firm, I would recommend Bespoke Funding, as they pioneered the idea of no time limit for the industry. So with no time limit, you can take however long you need to pass a challenge, and there's no rush for you to take trades. You can trade up to $2 million in capital with Bespoke Funding, and they have perfect trading environments with next to zero slippage. Bespoke also have a 24-hour team on Discord, so you can message them with any questions you have, and they also have a section on their Discord of proof of payouts that they've paid various different traders. So I will leave the link to them in the description below, and if you're looking to purchase any challenge, you can use my code for a discount. The focus for this video will be the London and New York session. I would cover the Asian session, but I hardly ever trade it, so I will leave the rules and parameters for that session in this PDF as well that you can check out yourself. So the London session Judas Swing can set the high or low for the trading day, and this comes as a spike in price action by running out buy side or sell side liquidity. So you must have a higher time frame understanding of where price is likely to go. The Judas Swing basically is a false move that the market goes into to trick traders into believing that the market is going to continue rallying or trading in that direction, and then it goes the other way. The time window for the London session Judas Swing is from midnight New York to 5 AM New York. This is where the high or low for the daily range is usually created, not all the time, and the Judas Swing is a false run which tricks up traders who lack true direction in the market. And we will be utilizing Asian highs and lows that we will get into when we go over the examples. So if you wanted to know why ICT named it a Judas Swing, it's because he wants to teach these concepts to his kids, and he has, and by producing interesting titles he believed that it would be easier to create a language to learn. And the Judas Swing usually forms from around 7 AM to 8 AM that we will go over, and it is running opposing liquidity for traders who lack true move of the market. For me personally, I like to see price action trade back into London's price action. So I want you guys to focus on these three templates right here, because this is usually what I want to be seeing when I am trading ICT's Judas Swing. So if we look at Asia, we usually want to see price dipping lower or higher after the price started trading, and this is usually the Judas Swing of the session. And then you want to see price trading back into the range, and from here I like to see a fair value gap being respected to trade into midnight if I am going to trade Asia. Then we have the price action for London. So London kill zone is 2 AM New York to 5 AM New York. However, I like to use midnight for the protraction that the market goes into. So if we are above midnight, that's going to be the best shorting opportunity, and if we're below midnight, that's going to be the best opportunity long. Then we have the New York template. So this is where price starts trading at 7 AM and creates the Judas Swing, and then we trade into 10 AM for the true move. Okay, here I have some examples of the Judas Swing. So 4 examples from ICT and 3 from myself. I covered Asia, London and New York, and ICT has done London and New York. So we're going to go into some live chart examples right now, and we will go over London and New York Judas Swing. Okay, here I have an example of the London session Judas Swing. It's actually a very straightforward strategy that we will go over now. So we will be looking at Asia highs and lows for liquidity targets and targeting the opposing side of the liquidity, and then of course we will be using midnight opening price, and everything is on New York time. This orange line right here represents midnight opening price. The best shorts will always form above midnight opening price when we are bearish, and the best long will form below midnight opening price when we are bullish. Okay, so one of the characteristics to look for is taking out Asia highs and lows. As we've taken out Asia high and we are above midnight opening price going into the London kill zone, this shows us that this is a protraction that the market is in, and the best shorts are going to form at the start of the kill zone. Now the kill zone has started, you can see that price trades back into this fair value gap, and we are above midnight opening price, and we have taken Asia high. So this is a strong bias to start selling short. So the best Judas Swing setups will form like this, and now we can look to sell short and target the Asia low. As you can see that the false move that was created did not continue going higher, and we did take out the Asia low as our target, and the market did give 2 opportunities to sell short. We had this fair value gap right here and this fair value gap right here. So this is a very simple strategy to look at London session when you are trading it, and it's probably best fitted for traders that don't like a lot of moving parts and want to keep it simple. So this is something that you can look into. Now we're going to go over New York session Judas Swing. Now I'm going to go over a New York session Judas Swing. So just like the London session Judas Swing, this is very simple and straightforward. So what are the main characteristics that you are going to be looking for? So you're going to be using London as targets. So if London low gets taken, you're going to target the opposing liquidity. So this is the London high right here. As I spoke about midnight opening price before, the best shorts will form above it and the best longs will form below it. So this is ICT's kill zone 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. and the best longs will form below 7 a.m. opening price and the best shorts will form above 7 a.m. opening price. So if you are below the 7 a.m. opening price and midnight, this shows in a bullish market that the market is most likely to start moving higher. Well, you can see that price has taken sell side liquidity below this low and we have started trading away from the 7 a.m. opening price. So as soon as we start trading higher above this breaker, we can look for long in setup. So now we can wait for price to come back into the fair value gap right here and this bullish breaker, and we can target the London high. You can see the price played around at the 7 a.m. opening price, returned back into it. So this is a discount in a way, and then we started trading higher to take out the London high, and we were below midnight and 7 a.m. opening price. We took sell side liquidity, so we can look for long in setups in a bullish market. I hope this video was helpful as we went over my PDF and we went over a London session and New York session Judas Swing that you can look for in price action. The London and New York session Judas Swings are pretty simple and it is a very simple strategy to trade once you grasp it. And if you have any future video recommendations, make sure to leave them down below as I will look to cover them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.